Hello, I'm Chris with the Fenton Group, and I'm here to give you a real estate market update for the Alberni Valley for April 2025. We're going to look at single-family homes that have sold in the greater Alberni Valley. So that's Beaver Creek, Cherry Creek, Sprout Lake, and of course the city of Port Alberni. If you ask me what would I say about the market, what's the characteristic of the market right now, I would say lots of listings coming on the market. More listings coming on the market right now than we have seen in years. Let's look at the stats and see how that stacks up. So looking back to March last month, 63 new non-waterfront single-family homes came on the market compared to 39 in the previous month. So that's a significant uptick in new listings. But there's been a pretty significant uptick in sales too. We've had 28 sales in March compared to 20 the previous month. The average home last month sold for $533,250 and sold at 97.7% of the asking price. So homes are still selling really quite close to that asking price. It's starting to take a little bit longer to sell. The average days on the market is just under 2 months at 57 days. So we're really just seeing a continuation of what we've been seeing for almost 2 years now, where we're in a buyer's market where there's quite a few listings to choose from, but still a fair amount of buying activity. So still some great buys out there for people but they're just looking a little deeper, looking in between and figuring out which listings are the great buys. What I'm really seeing right now is that homes that come on the market that are well priced, they tend to still be selling really quickly, and they still tend to be selling close to the asking price. But if somebody starts to reach for that asking price, if a seller puts a price tag on it that's a little bit higher than the other comparable sales that have happened, then it sort of seems to be sitting there. Now, the other thing that I'm seeing, a big characteristic of the market that I think people should think about, is that there's a big discrepancy between what houses are selling at and what people are asking for them. What I mean by that is, as we're pricing houses, if we're looking at the active listings, it would make us think we should price the house up here. But when we look at the ones that have actually sold, the house price is a little bit lower. So it's important when people are pricing their house that they're really looking at those comparable sales and really doing analysis so they can bring their house on the market at the right price. So that's where we're at today. It's going to be an interesting year. I'm looking forward to the real estate market next month to see where we're at. If you want to get future market updates, like us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, all the social media channels, or shoot us an email and we'll add you to the email newsletter. Have a great April, and I'll see you next month.